up, guys? In the car here with Kenny and Jesse. Woo! And it is raining like crazy. But we're gonna drive south and try and see if any skate parks or any skate spots are dry so we can get some clips. Woo! Alright guys, so we just pulled up to Junction City Skatepark. It is nice and dry, blue skies, and Kenny is just over here being a big homie. Get some of these puddles out of here. Alright, let's skate. Woo! Oh no. Pushing me. Sorry, dude. My head, Chris. Yep. Out of the water! Out of the water! Good bail. Good bail. All right, guys. So my GoPro died before I could win this battle, but Stir Dog right over here happened to have his phone on him, so you guys probably just saw the clip. But yeah, I'm pooped. Just battled that for like at least 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and it's already dark out. We're getting there anyway, so I guess that's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next ones. Woo!